Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We have a June 16, 21 variant, D syllabus mathematics, and we have to find here minor arc BC. You know, when we have a circle and we have here B and where is C here, two paths to go, one longer path and one shorter path. This shorter path is called minor arc, and this is called longer is called major arc. So now we have to go for the shorter one. So this arc length is my question. Now for this reason, we have to join a line from here. Reason this angle is important to know, this one. And if I know this angle, the question is over. So you know that O to C is a radius and O to B is a radius. So in front of this, what we have 64 in front of this, so this is a confirmed 64. So in this way, I got a 128 and I need theta, so from 180 subtract, I got 2, so I got a 52. So I got a 52 degrees. So it means theta, what I'm looking for, 180 minus 64 give you 52. So it means I got 52. So this part is clear. Okay. Now I need for arc length, and the question is over. So minor arc length. Minor arc length. And formula, you know, theta by 360 into 2 pi r radius. Okay. So theta is 52. And 360 times 2 pi r, and r is 5, you can see 5. So this is 5 2s are 10 cancelled here, and I got a 52 divided by 36 times 2 pi, and answer is coming here 4.54 centimeter. So first part is over. Let's go for the next part. And the next part, he is asking here, actually we have this kind of a ring. Okay, you can see that this is a ring, this is an area for the ring, this one. Okay, alright, so area of the ring is my target, and the smaller radius is 15.5 and the bigger is 16.5. So plan is so simple. From the bigger area, subtract the inner part. So how to find the area of the ring? So pi r squared minus pi r squared. This r is a bigger radius and this r is smaller radius. So let's find, I can take pi common, and the bigger radius is 16.5 square and smaller is 15.5 square. Okay, so let's find 16.5 square minus 15.5 square give me 32 pi. So 32 pi, and the answer is coming 100.5. Okay, 5 3 even. So we need 3 SF as pi involves a recurring number. So I don't want. So 101 centimeter square rim area. So rim area is 101. I think this idea is also clear. Okay, and let's go for the next plan. And next plan, B part 2. Okay, so B part 2. So he is asking here, B part 2. So we got a rim area, the bottom of that remains. Actually, this is the bottom area. You can see this is the bottom area. On the bottom area of this one, I have small holes here. Okay, this kind of holes. Okay, I can't show you exactly, but this kind of hole in the bottom. Okay, and how many area at the bottom that remains? Remains means after making holes and leave the circular path patches. So what remaining area? 650. So find the radius of the each. Okay, so actually this is inner and this inner means this one. So 15.5 is actually full area. And what is the plan of action? So total area, you can say that total area. So total area is here pi r square, and r is 15.5. Okay, so 15.5 square into pi, it is coming let me write, 240.25 pi centimeter square. This is actually full area at the bottom though, that's the bottom one. And the remaining means, if from this area, if I leave, and how many circles are, 1 minute please, the remaining, and I want to find, yeah, there was one missing, 44, there are holes, how many? So there are 44 holes we have total. In the bottom 44 holes. Okay. So if from this, if I leave this one, so area of the 44 holes. Okay. So area of the 44 holes. Or holes a word, or 44 circles better word. Okay. So from this subtract that one. So this is the remaining one actually. Yeah, exactly the remaining one. So after subtracting, that is remaining. So this is the area bottom there. So from this subtract. So 240.2.5 minus 650. So times 2 pi, I have this one minus 650. So it is giving me 104.7676 centimeter square. 44 circle area is this much. So area of the one circle, one circle. So divided by 40, it is a very clear, by 40, sorry 44. So, and I got the answer, so this is a 2.38108. This is the area of one circle. And you know that it is equal to what formula? Pi r square. And pi will go down and I will get 2.38108 by pi and take the root. So 2.38108 by pi. So divided by, so 2.38108 divided by pi and take the root of this answer. It is coming, radius is coming 0.871. Let me write here. So 0.871 centimeter. So this is my answer. So 0.871. And let's go for the last part, students. So let's inside the volume is 500 cents. So what is volume formula for this kind of thing? So cross area into height. So pi r square into h. 500 comes here. Radius is 15.5. Height is d. So let's try to, but issue is, okay, let me find first. So 500 divided by pi goes down and 15.5 square. So let me find 500 divided by pi times 2, 15.5 square. It gives us 0.662455 because centimeters. But he said no, give answer in a nearest millimeter. Okay, so we can see that. So into 10. So I am getting what answer? 6.6 millimeter, and I think so he's asking nearest. Let me see the question. He asked the nearest. Let me check. Yes, exactly. He asking nearest millimeter. So answer is the same answer, 6.6 millimeter. So this is not required. This is not required. Bigger than 4, add. So what is D becomes 7 millimeter. So that is our answer. I think the plan is very, very clear now and idea is over.